Hey guys, welcome back to Less Cooks More. Today we are making a 4th of July specialty, kind of something you can use as a showstopper dessert / decoration. So I am going to attempt to make a shape with Jello. I've never done this before. I actually don't even think I've made Jello since I was in elementary school maybe. But we're trying to make an American Flag Jello dessert. But we have our backup Jellos over here. We are using strawberry, berry blue, and unflavored gelatin because of the color. There's a lot of like white puddings that are technically the Jello brand, but there wasn't any white Jello. I was having a hard time finding that, even though I know it exists because I've seen recipes. So anyway, we're gonna try to do clear, and I'm gonna flavor it with like coconut, maybe vanilla, some white or light color foods. But basically we're gonna try to get the blue and some stars over here, and then the red and white stripes layering. I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. It's gonna be great, hopefully. Otherwise, you know, whatever. But so we're just gonna see how it goes. Okay, so I ripped open the box and the package. What we're gonna do is start with one package of red, and this is strawberry because strawberry is a little lighter in color than cherry is. I can taste it already. And we're gonna do another package.
So for the amount of Jello that we're trying to make, I'm gonna use another pack of the red. As you can see, there's a lot of powder again that I'm still tasting.
So for each pack, you just need 1 cup of boiling water. We are going to do 2 cups because we did 2 packs, but I'm gonna pour them in like one at a time and kind of stir. So I'm getting my boiling water. Okay, so now we have our 2 cups of boiling water. We are gonna start pouring those in. And stirring. So I'm happy we got the strawberry because the cherry would have been even darker. But yeah, so the goal is to just dissolve all of the Jello here. And then what you want to do is add in a cup per package of cold water. And we're going to actually use ice cubes instead because that's how you cool set, and it'll only take 30 minutes. All right, so as you can see, it's actually gotten pretty thick at this point. We are going to take some ice cubes and pour them in. Oh, 2 cups of ice cubes. Oh no, go get the measuring cup, Nina. Never done this method before, so we'll see. It's getting like dark, like frothy, like I can't see through it. Okay, so now we are going to pour in. And we're just gonna refrigerate it for approximately 30 minutes, and it should be good. Okay, so this is our Jello, and there's a lot of bubbles, which in hindsight I should have smoothed out. But that's okay because I think we can just use this part. But anyways, this is our Jello. I'm gonna put that back in the fridge.
And now we're gonna get started on our blue Jello, so same process as the red.
I'm gonna pour in our hot water. I need a ruler. So everyone, we are cutting. And a trick is use warm water to rinse the knife to make it smooth. So I'm just gonna spoon it out, honestly at this point. Okay, so I cut out a little square and I cleaned it all. And this is where the blue's gonna go. All right, so now we have our blue. I'm gonna try really hard not to get it on the other side. So this is our blue. Okay, pleasantly surprised about the shape. Red coming through, I gotta hurry, so freezes. Okay, using unflavored gelatin because it's clear. That's what I wanted, and put it in some water to soften. We're gonna add some sugar and vanilla to it I wish I had white food coloring, but I don't. I'm just gonna put in like a couple drops of that more easily, so just do a little bit. Ooh, wow, it's already like gelling. And I was going to add some coconut oil. We don't have coconut flakes right now, otherwise I would do that. Because this is looking yellow anyway. I do not want it to look yellow. So we are trying it again, second time around. I think it's honestly because these are brown. They're like tan. It's just not white. Okay. Actually, this is better. This is better. I'm gonna add some powdered sugar to see what that does. Cups of water. I think this is much better. Just because it's not dark in color. We got our little flag going. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut out stripes and see how this goes. So I'm gonna cut this bottom layer. Okay, so that's one slit we made. So I made some cuts. I'm honestly just gonna start, oh no! What we're gonna do is just start removing the stripes. Okay everyone, so this part took me a lot more time than I thought. So yeah, we put the ice in the fridge, and this is our mixture, so I'm hoping nothing bad happens. I froze through here, so that's why I'm doing that, but anyway, dumping this in here. But what we're gonna do is pour it in between, and I left this bigger chunk here just because I didn't want to cut it too thin, because that's what started happening here. So now I'm going to use this funnel and try to funnel it into the cracks. We'll see how this goes. Good. We're just gonna, ooh, did it work? It's working! I'm actually kind of surprised, I'm not gonna lie. Okay guys, so this is what our Jello looks like. I do want to make sure we have little stars, so I'm going to use this 4th of July Ready Whip, or any kind of whipped cream, basically. Make sure you shake it up all the time. I did that already. And just test it out. Ooh, okay. So we're gonna, because this is what it looks like right now, I actually am gonna take a picture in case I don't like the way it looks. Awesome. So this is what we're working with. We got our American Flag 4th of July Jello dessert. Fairly easy. The hardest part is like scooping out. So if you don't want the clear, honestly, you could just do whipped cream and keep the red. But I think this looks really cute. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and happy 4th of July. Bye.